guys, so we're just gonna loosen that up, loosen this side up. We're gonna take the bolts out on this side. I think it's 10 millimeters, and that's gonna loosen up as well. Well, if you take out the whole thing, it's easier from here. This one, you could loosen that up if you want to, but I like it working in sections because when you take it off, this is easy to reach when this whole piece is off. So I'll show you guys in a bit. All right, so I usually use a socket.
Yeah, I got some.
To take it off. I mean, this should come in a hole 732. That's what it says. Yeah, 732. It says on the bottom. So it fits these instead of using the. Where am I? Right there. So instead of using like Phillips, just use this. It's a lot easier because you don't want to break or damage the inner piece, that bolt. Just take it off using this. It's a lot easier. See, it loosens up quicker. That's it. So I just wiggle this out. It comes out because this thing could be, you know, it's like a spring. It's flexible. So I just wiggle this out. You could take this whole thing off if you want to, but I like to, you know, just show you guys another way. But there you go. See, it comes off. When you break the seal, right in between, and then you just pull out the other way and it comes out. It's one hand. I'm gonna put my camera down. It's right out. That's it. I'm gonna show you guys why I want to take this out at a step real quick, because it'll be a lot easier to just take it out in section. I'll show you why. So the only reason why I take it out is because of this way you have access to reach here as well. It's a lot easier if you could twist it a little bit so you can reach that bolt, and this one too. So that's the reason. So we're gonna go ahead and take these bolts off, and then we'll go from there. All right guys, so that's off. And this piece, if you have this kind of piece on, you can't take it off. Kind of wiggle it with a plier, and then the rest, let me try and hold it for you. Let me show you. So I just hold that, and then you just twist it really hard, and it comes right off. So, hell yeah, we get things done. Thumbs up for that. So on this side, just take these two clips off, and it's optional. You can take it on or off. I mean, you can take it away, you know, small screws right here. But we're just gonna hold it out and remove this one. The stock one comes out, and this one would go right in. Open that up. Yeah. Then make sure you can just clean that up. And then you put this filter on like this. There's a clip. Where is it? There, see that? It goes in just like that, and the box will close right back on top. Alright, so the first thing you do want to install is this little side. You want to install this piece first, the small one. I'm going to put the small clamp in there. And small clamp goes in there. And then, that's hard, I'm going to call my friend, hold up. Alright, so I was going to say, this is the first one you want to install, because the rest is easier. You can see when you put that one first, because it goes all the way in, so then it's easy to install the hose on this end. You take if you need help, just take a flathead and squeeze it in there. It'll kind of bring it out, the wedge. There you go. But at the same time, you gotta, you know, push it inwards. All right, guys, it's done. Make sure that's tight. That's tight. These two bolts are tight. That's tight as well. And this is tight. The mass airflow sensor is in, and that's clipped in. That's clipped, and we're gonna clip this too. And the infilter's inside, so you're done with stage 1 tune right there. Okay, look at that. You just gotta take this whole thing off from this and unplug that, so it's easier to plug to push this into that, but it goes in easily. And just twist them. Don't make these spots tighter yet. Do them in the end, because you might have to go up and down to adjust these two locations, and then you'll be good to go. Make sure this is as low as you can, because you got to put the hood down, and that should do it. All right, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I appreciate the support. Peace out.